Namaskar, I am Sudhir from Live Info Systems. And with the Festival of Lights Diwali just around the corner, as a token of gratitude, we wanted to offer something unique, something truly special this year, something that resonates Liv's commitment to sustainability and Mother Earth. This Diwali, instead of offering traditional gifts, we are excited to present to you this unique grow kit of Italian basil. It is more than just a gift. It is way to help you grow your own plant and experience the joy of nurturing something from a small seed to full bloom plant. At Leap, we are passionate about green buildings and sustainability. And what better way to explain that ethos than give you something which you can grow yourself. This basic flow is a small but meaningful way to reconnect with this nature. And in just 20 days, you will see the joy of nurturing your own plant. Let me show you how easy it is to use this kit. This kit contains its own soil, a beautiful pot, along with a packet of seeds and a kit to nutrition your plant. It also has its own instruction manual if you need it. And in just 20 days, you will have the joy and satisfaction of nurturing your own thriving basil plant. At least, we hope this small gift brings you that joy and satisfaction. Wishing you and your loved ones a bright, prosperous, sustainable, and happy Diwali. Happy Diwali from all of us here at Lee. Thank you so much.